So there are different methods you are going to use. I'm going to give you all methods. You choose what's good for you, okay? There is one method which is called concatenate. There is one other method which is called AND, but AND is somewhat complicated comparing to concatenate. And concatenate is not good than AND. One is simple but not good. The other is a formula but gives good thing. If I do this, concatenate, conquer. Those are functions. That's why when you start typing, they give you the options. They give you suggestions. Concatenate. Concatenate. You double click on that, okay? Then click on any name. Please, I said you may start wherever. You can start from first name or second name. This is for running purpose. Wherever you can start, there's no problem. So let's see Anna, comma. Are we together with concatenate? Then surname. Then you do like this. Anna Muhizi. What is wrong with that?
No space.
That is the bad story with the concatenate. And because it is not a table, we are going to move the other one. Okay? That's this. There's no space. So this is divide. What is that? Why the name was divide there? Okay?
So concatenate works
as join, yes. Joining two sentences. So but
we can call it join or attaching.
Yes. Are we together? Yes. Now the other one is it gives you a space, but we need a formula, not a function. Okay? Okay, maybe in concatenate you can also add spaces, but no. So let's the formula is better than we can go with concatenate. Are we together? Let's have a new. We are done with concatenate and we have seen the results. The results are not really helpful, okay? Because they combine, but there is no space. Isn't it? There is no space between the name. Okay? Now, can you follow this good way of combining and leave the space? Okay? Equal. We have left concatenate, and I just wanted to mention because at some point you can see people talking about concatenate things like that. But to me, it is not really helpful, okay? So the good thing is to use this formula we are going to use. So please follow, okay? Equal. Are you there?
Yes.
Any name, maybe the first name. When I'm writing the formula or a function, I explain each and every term. So I suggest not to memorize, okay? Yes. So A2, this is the first name we want to start with. Are we together? Then put and. Still together?
Yes.
Put double quotation 1, space quotation 2. I tell you the reason. We are going to leave a space which has this length between the two texts. Are we still together? A2 and quotations, okay? Put another and. Okay? It means take this first text, put a space in between, and then take this second text. Okay? Then let's go to Moise. Please don't skip anything there. Okay? We have two ands, we have two quotations. Okay? Then enter. Now it's okay. No? Yeah, we can put space. There's no problem. But this one, I love it better because you can keep adding more. Okay. So is that okay? How did you do it before? You copy it, you cut, you paste, you cut, you paste. Okay. Now you see you have the quickest way to do it. So the second thing is what is wrong with, according to the proper writing of English or Yawanda or the other English, what is the wrong with this? So they're like, so this one is Anna, but Muizi, there is no capital. You should have a capital letter, isn't it? What about Festus? They say. What about this? So which means if we choose capital, let's make it capital. If we choose it small letters, let's make it with small letters. And at least this should happen to each and every text that we have there. Okay? So now let's have full name again. Full name final. Listen, I'm not saying you have to do this, you do this, you do this. Okay, you can even do, yes, we are learning. So we can even do this final at once, okay? Yes. I will show you how you can do that if we can write a single formula for that. Equal. Now, in Excel, there are three things. You can choose row, or you choose what we call upper, or you choose what we call proper. Let me explain the three here, okay? If I do row, like this, lower, rower, okay? I call it like this. Rower means the characters will be small. All characters will be small. So upper means characters will be capitalized. Now proper, each word will start with a capital letter. So for the purpose of our business now, let's choose proper. Yes, proper. But there are some people who like upper characters. Yes. So it depends to the audience, to the target user. Proper, you choose the name there. So Anna Moise, you see, this one has a sense. Yeah? So can you do that on the? Can you do that when you combine the formulas? Yeah, you get this and so we can combine. After we learn how to combine them together, let us know how to split them. Because it may happen that they ask us now, this is the full name, we want you to split. Okay, but before that, there is a person there who wants me to suffer with the formula to finish this. Equal, are you following equal, wait, yes, equal proper. So you know the formulas, it depends to what you need. Proper, this Anna, okay. Oh, Anna, the first one. Yes, proper Anna, close parentheses, and the double quotations, space, quotations, and the proper, and the, sorry, and proper, non proper, the second name. When you have this, you see, that is. So no, he was asking without doing what? This one we have combined. This one we have proper bit. So how can you proper and combine? That's what you wanted to know. So you proper something very. No, wait, but I'm going to show you how to split because we have other techniques to run here. Yeah, better show you how to split this. Okay, now let's say we have this name. Are we together? Oops. So we have this full name and we want to split name by name. Okay? Okay? Are you following? Okay, can you highlight this? You have to select for highlight. Go to data. You are waiting me to go to data. You go to data. You have your own data. I see people, I'm telling them to go to data, they are looking there. You want your own data in your computer. Are you there? Go to text to columns. Text to columns. Okay? The box comes says. Okay.
Let's make it a text.
Sorry, you said?
There, you still have some. First, we remove the formula before you.
Yeah, you can remove the formulas, it's fine. Do you know how to remove the formulas? Can you close that box? Come back to the data like that. Close that. Yes. No, you don't. You just copy and paste values. Like that. Select that. Control C. Copy. You copy that one. Then right click. Paste 1 to 3. Paste as values. Or paste options as values. Yeah, nothing happens, but it happens. You want your computer to fry. It happens inside. Okay, you do Control C. You can just use the shortcut as quick as this. Control C like this, and then Control Shift V. Only that. Control C, Control. If this one allows, I'm sorry, I don't know why I'm getting the error. So, but you do this, paste special, paste 1, 2, 3. This is what I was saying. So, okay. Please highlight this again. Let's go to data. Are you there? Text to column, you were there. So choose delimited. You can just continue with delimited. Oh, sorry, back. I don't want to repeat this. So are you to delimit it? Next. Now, when we want to split the text, we should know what separates this text. What is between this text? Tab, space. So what is between this text here? It is the space. So you have to click to tick here on the space. Okay? And then you have you go next, okay? And finish. There's nothing else. So you see what was Anamwizi has raised. Name this surname and this first name. It's fine. Okay. So the reason the title got split is also because I highlighted it. It's not a big deal. Okay. We are still in data cleaning. And do you remember the chapter? The teacher was going to teach the photosynthesis, and he said, so now today we are going to run a new chapter which is photosynthesis. Then he asked him, what is photosynthesis? And the clever student was like, the photosynthesis is our chapter today. Okay? So now you need to remember the chapter title. This is data clean. You have seen how you can replace the missing values by using the mean. The same you can use the minimum, the same you can use the maximum, depends to the concept of the research. So we have seen how you can split the data, how you can combine them together, how you can change the format of the text, like in small letters, capital letters, or in a proper way. And then we come to see how you can split them. The next thing is deprecates management or treatment. You use what we call substitute or screens. First of all, you have to deal with those they are part of the system because they are spaces. They are not normal. So use screens. Okay. Can you do that? Because if your Excel has split function equal, just type something fresh split. Text change. This is data. Before you can be at because at some point also people may have the space before while writing. This is a very big ecosystem. The first thing is text. Because in this case, because it is the same class. But for the other case, you don't have such a because text is very helps you remove those even some other bad characters. Okay. Depends on how your data came. Our data there is read by yes. Tab has sometimes or you can custom your own separation. So the concept is getting interesting. So that's why people are discussing it. Sorry. Okay.
We have these two names in one form. Now I want to put them into two columns. Yes.
They are in how many columns?
Now we have put the two names in one column. I want, how can I put them into? Yes.
How to do it? That's what we started with. So I have to. Okay? So now that we have okay.
Mama aired it.
There you go. There you go. Ndi mu ishuri ndanakuvugisha. Yego. Okay. So, do we have duplicates in our data sets? Do you have duplicates? What are the duplicates do we have? Okay, do we have duplicates there?
No.
What do you support? Do you support we have? We have this list of things. Do we have duplicates or not?
No.
We have. Okay. The name? The first name is and the other name is okay. What about Inema and the Imena? They are not the same. Okay.
Even their age.
So we don't have duplicates, isn't it? So what we call a duplicate? What do we call a duplicate?
Is columns with is
Let me put yes. Okay. Let us. Do we have a duplicate here?
no.
I just changed Imena to Inema here.
Yes, we have.
You have duplicates?
No.
Yes,
There's no duplicate because
if we consider the age column, there is no duplicate.
so this person is divert, the same names, but when you look at the age, they have different names, which means we don't have duplicate in our data set. Let me tell you, when we are detecting the duplicates or treating the duplicates, like she said, we look at the unique identifier. Okay? the unique identifier. What is the unique identifier?
Names. Here they are names.
Oh no, generally there are examples. The ID, we are very sure that a person cannot have another one ID, but the names can be the same. Registration number.
And even the age card.
Yes, we are talking about the unique identifiers.
Even the telephone number.
The telephone number can be different. Everyone has his telephone number.
And registration number.
Registration number. What else? What about email ID? What is our identifier here in this data set?
Names.
But we can only age.
No?
But we
No,
don't have
name.
it.
They are names.
Just the name, surname, and age.
I have no idea.
We have, listen, please, I would encourage everyone to join this conversation, okay? So we have how many columns there?
We have three.
So we have first, leave this. So we have first name, we have surname, and we have what is the identifier? What is the identifier there?
No, no.
We do not have identifier there. Every entry can be the same to another entry. What we can do is to create identifier. How can we create identifier?
Can give them the decision. All right. 0, 1, 2, 3.
No. Suppose this is a list from your company or organization. How can you give them the identifier?
Can group,
Can number them.
can group 2 columns.
Number.
But if you take their
Numbering does if they are number.
You can join it.
You can. Do we all agree that we don't have identifiers?
Yes.
How can we create identifiers?
You can join it to
you create a
you can join it to
How? Yes. And your program has the conditions. My friend, they gave us three columns. Okay? See, we have a long list of people.
Yes.
Okay? But we are given only 3 columns. How can we create identifier? We don't have any other data, more data apart from this.
We are creating the academy.
What is the probability that people may not have the same data? They look like you have an answer, but I call the Holy Spirit in you. Listen, what is identifier? Again, identifier is a unique variable or a unique characteristic of a person. So whenever you are given data and there is no identifier, I would advise you combine as many variables as possible. You understand? Like he's saying, we were not paying attention to what he came to say, but you have to combine everything there. So if I combine first name and second name, there is a probability that these people can have the same name. So that will not be an identifier. But since I'm given only 3 columns, I'm going to combine all 3 columns. You understand? Sometimes you have to combine all the columns to be sure if this person has this name, and he has this first name, and he has this motor status, and he has this sex, leave him alone, he is a duplicate. You understand? To be very, very sure that it is a duplicate. So, if, for example, those who were saying we combine 2, if I combine this one and this one, I will end up treating this as the duplicate, while the age is different. Okay? Now, the good thing is to combine all or 3. Are we together? So, I'm not going to show you how to combine. It's only and. You don't even have to put spaces. There's no meaning. You can just concatenate. Okay? Let's do this. Identifier. Now we have equal this name. You can do concatenate or you do end quickly as this name and end this name. Then you do the like this.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Whatever I'm working on about 100 forms and thousands, whatever I'm working on 100 forms and thousands of forms. How would I get this?
You have okay. It depends to the data. What the data is all about. This is what I said. I didn't say combine all the columns. I said combine the critical ones. Okay. If this person has this, for example, let me say, sometimes during the data entry or whatever, you can even see that people have the same email address in the data set. So they give you the data set, you see people have the same email address. So, but the names are different, the ages are different. So to me, what I do, I have to combine multiple, like 4 or 5. So if this person, the good thing here in data training is documentation. Please document the method you apply so that you will be able to explain. Okay? So say, as a data person, I took age, I took a country, I took a name, I took an email, I combined all these 4. If the person had the same, I didn't care about the other things. This is mostly a tip. So you only need to document. That's the most important part. Okay, what you do. But here we only have 3 columns. So what do? We better combine all 3. Okay, now listen, we are not done because this was a very short exercise on how to create your own identifier. Okay, so now how do we know we have a duplicate? We don't look like this. We don't scroll up to the 10,000 person. Okay, we use either the formula or the conditional formatting. We are going to use 2 ways. We will choose which one is good for you. Okay. Highlight column D like this. Are you there? Go to conditional formatting. Go to home. Condition formatting. Go to highlight cell rows. Go to duplicates. Duplicate values. Below text that contains, go to duplicate values. Duplicate values. Are you there? Yes. Click on that. You can leave it and then you click OK. It's fine. You see, there is no color, which means there is no duplicate. Let me change this person's years, age to 21, and we see what happens. 21. These two people are the same because they have the same name, the same age, so the red color appears there. Okay, now we have seen how you can sort, but in duplicate we don't remove all those two people together. Okay, we remove one. That is why we are going to use a formula to identify one. Okay, we identify one who is the first, who is the second. Because no matter who we remove, because it's okay. There are ways, there are multiple ways you can do it. So, are we still together? Yes, because Tanya here. Duplicate number, duplicate number, duplicate number. Wowe uyu munsi ushobora kuba twatangiye kubintu bigoye ariko ejo bizagoye kurushaho. Uri mu bw'isi indwara urwaye hari uherutse guhitana. Indwara urwaye hari uherutse guhitana. Rero usanga abantu ngo muranga ibyo ucamo ngo ejo n'ejo bundi bizakemuka muvana. How do you know? We are afraid to end the life we didn't choose. Okay, so we have so do you remember the reason we are going to create duplicate number? Because given that those two names are duplicate, does not mean we are going to remove them too. We remove one. If we don't use a formula, we remove two. And that's a big problem. Okay? It's because we need to remove one, we remain with another. They can be 3 duplicates, they can be 4 duplicates. Okay? There are some noise data. Like I call them noise because they have a lot of things to deal with. Are we there? Counts. We are going to count the number of duplicates. Count. Oh, sorry, I have to come back. Count. Okay. This we are checking this identifier, isn't it? D2 up to D2. How do we call this signs, Mr. Signs? Double dots. Okay. Up to D2. comma, check. How can I explain this? Now this is going to be a fire. So we are following a sequence. We are following a sequence of identifiers. Okay. Now, if it checks this D and there is no duplicate, because we are going to give it a new value, which is also D2. Okay. Then we can choose to remain. Oh, sorry. We can choose to have it like this, D2. Then they will say 0 from that one. Let me see if we don't have to change something. Oh, 0, 0. Sorry. We have D2. We have to fix this. I'm sorry, I just want to check why the error. We don't have the answer there. Okay, D2, D2, D2. I'm telling you why I'm putting this dollars right. We have D2, D2. Count D2 up to D2. But these dollars. D2. By not work. So count from D2 to D2, then give D2. So the meaning is that. So let me change the position of. Yes, not to D5, because we are checking chronological, like check the preceding. Wait, I'm checking why this is happening like this. Otherwise, I don't know where the mistake is.
It is a count if.
Oh, I have to put count if. Thank you. Oh, yeah, sure. Count if. D2. Oh, yeah, because we have condition. Right. Can you check the positions of the dollars if I'm putting them right? Okay, I think it should be like this. And then I do -1. This, okay, for the confusion, let me remove -1. Okay, we have 1. Yeah, that could be the count if. Can you check the position of the dollars? I don't know what's wrong. What is the dollar? Sure. Oh, because it has to move, keep moving. Okay. But I think I have to fix at some point. Oh, sorry. We have 1. So we should have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Huh. What is the problem?
But I think it should be looking within all the rows. Then chance when you find that chance false or
Oh, wait. So count from this to this one is not working. Yeah, this one is C. By doing this. Yeah, and yeah, count if D2. So can you try on your end and see? Yes.
You are not looking at the one single cell.
Yes.
So if we put the closer with the last address of the row, it's at 0.
What are you saying? I don't know what's wrong because the logic of the formula is right. Mhm.
Yeah. If I'm not wrong, we are looking on the player list.
Yes.
We are not looking at on rate what cell.
Yes.
So we are able to put the dollar and then we put 5. That's the address.
No need to mention. No, that's one. Even it can work, but I can't because we need to make sure that the formula works no matter how many rows we have. You understand? This is what I'm looking at. Okay, let me check what to do. Check it somewhere. Maybe we have something wrong, but that one I think would be the optimal way.
But you need to specify in which way.
Why one?
You need to specify.
Okay, I see. Let's try this.
When it comes here, it's also has different. So if you do like this, you want to
Yeah. Okay, let's do. No, wait.
try like
Let me put a door here. I just want to see if it works. So in this case, I just want to fix this two and see. Yeah, now it works. You see, we have to fix the first one because yeah, because if I do like this, yeah, that you are right. If I do like this, it will check from D2 to D5. Yes, yeah, that is. No. Wait. When we are dealing with the formula, we don't. I mean, you have to make sure no matter how many rows, you don't have to type. Okay? Yes, no matter how many rows. The same story, you can do this. Okay. You can do. Do we understand? Do we understand what we are doing here? Look at, for example, these two here. So it is this D2 is still fixed, okay? Which means we are checking if this text has never been on the list before, okay? Then we check through here up to here, up to D5, then we check this D5. And then it gives how many items repeated up to this stage. So which means here we were still at 1, but here it is 2 because it has repeated before. Okay? The same you can do if condition. For example,
what if you have a 4 in a
please, what we were struggling for the first point, so we were wrong because we were not fixing the first entry. You understand? And when we say a duplicate, it means no matter how many rows. That's why I'm not liking the other thing of doing it manually, because no matter how many rows did this person appear before. Do you understand that? So this is what we were failing to do. So it is count if. So now from the okay, this is D2, okay, but this D2 should not change because we want to see if we get to this person, we want to see from here to here. If we get to the 100 person, we want to see still from this person to the 100. If things like that, okay. Now that's what we were failing to do. So then D2 we have to fix. So fixing it means add dollar sign. It's nothing. Okay. Now up to from D2, which is fixed, always fixed, up to D anything. It can be D100, D whatever. But here, since we are on the first row, it's up to D2, isn't it? Now return D2, which means return the index of D2. It can be 1, it can be whatever. Okay? And then we fix this. We have to close this. So you see, this person from above, because we don't even have above from this, it has appeared only 1. But this is confusing. I'm going to give you the other approach, which can give you 0 and 1, which is more, I think it can make sense. So now, if we scroll down like this, because we know diva is a duplicate. On the first entry, we have 1. On the second entry, we have 2, which means if I need to remove duplicates, I'm going to filter 2 or more than 1. He was asking, what if we have diva here? He was yes, we have like this one. It will keep counting. You see, we have this one. Oh, where is diva? Oh, yeah, there is a formula there. It was taking no space. Okay, you see? You see? Oh no, it's 22. It's 22 because of scrolling. 21, okay? The same as 21 and 21. You see? As the duplicates increase, it will keep increasing. But if this is confusing to you, let me show you how you can count from 0, not from 1. You only have to come here to this formula, and then you do minus 1. What does it mean? It means here it starts with 0 if it is not a duplicate. Do you understand? Instead of starting with 1, it starts with 0. Now, what you will do, you will delete anything which is not 0. Isn't it? The same you can include the if condition. You can say if before, if this, okay? Please check for me if this is, sometimes I can't see that. If this one is, let me remove this. If parentheses, how many parentheses? Is it closed? Yes. Okay, if this one minus 1 is equal to 0, what does it mean? What does it mean? What does it mean? Unique. It means unique. It means no duplicate. Otherwise, it means duplicate. Then I close parentheses like this. So it means if I check count if minus 1 and I find it is equal to 0, okay? Then it will be unique. But otherwise, it will be a duplicate. I think this will run. If it does not, so we need to check why. If count if minus 1, okay, you have this one minus 1. Which bracket am I missing? Which one? If count if this one is closed,
I think you have to close if afterwards. You have to close if afterwards.
wait. I don't think I have. Okay, count if this one. So this one is closed, okay? This if is closed. This is opened here. So this is closed here. Okay, and this is closed, not opened. Oh, closed, not duplicate. Come on. Yeah. Okay, wait. Want to see. This one is closed, but we don't have it open. I'm checking this and see if tests, and then This is still the logical test, and then this is the value if true. Yeah, this one is okay. Okay, you see, we have unique, and then we have duplicate. So which means I will come here and do only filtering. You can do anyway. So then I choose, I leave these who are unique, okay, and then I will you following here. Then I remain with those who are duplicates, okay. Then I have to drop all of them. So before I drop this diva, do we have diva remaining? We have diva. The first diva is remaining. Do you see? So which means dropping others, there's no problem because we have one which is remaining. Okay, yeah, that's all about the duplicate removing. Sorry, bring it back. You want it with if condition or without if condition? So this if condition you can leave it. There's no problem. Okay. It's only to make things clear. Okay. So this is unique. This is not unique.
We have these formulas written somewhere. I think we might get.
Yeah, no, we have that. We have that in lots.
There, okay. Share the notes.
You have to run fast. If you need something to share with you, I can share exercise. No. Do you want exercise for this evening? Yes. No? What do you do at night? You have been sitting for long. You can skip this night. Do exercise. When you are writing something, you don't have to sit so that you will not forget. No, Excel is a good program, so you need to learn to. We also enjoy using power. You can know the number without filtering. Okay? Okay, create the last column. This is the last tip I'm going to talk about, which is called data validation. And then you come back tomorrow at 7, at 9, at 6. Huh? At 9 it's too late. Huh? At 9, okay? Ibintu bya saa tatu kwareba kwa bundi saa tatu bari kera. Vision. Progress. Ese iby'amasaha bikuri academic revision kuri academic cyangwa mu kazi. Hey. bashyiraho amasaha baravuga bati niba ari ukugira ngo dukore akazi neza ahubwo mudushyire n'agacupa k'ofisi kuko niko dusoza akazi tugiye gushaka baba kwiga gusiba akazi kandi abantu bakora akazi neza Yakora ukabona nk'umuntu atamara asiteka resource. Okay, so can we use this 15 minutes to run data validation?
Yeah.
Actually,
You are me?
exhausted.
You are exhausted.
The truth is that
No, today it was hard because it was the first day. Tomorrow it will be busy. Bongara bamwe itatu. Rero sinabara amasigara ngamwe nyine na ministre umuntu wabwiye ngo mutange ngo nirime ngo niciriha hanyuma arabaza ati ubundi bizambara iki gupfanira ahabizi ariko umuntu ari mwe mu buryo aba agomba kwexploit ibintu byose yagiye utari ukarinywa ariko ugamije gutesitinga gusa iyo ugumye rero urabivuze ngo uremye muri ya type of person who are more likely to write this note. Turi mu isi yo kugerageza I don't smoke. I drink water. Booze. What is booze? Booze or what is it? Something like alcohol. No, I stopped the alcohol earlier. It's been some time. Yeah.
but you tested it.
Yeah, I enjoyed it. I didn't trace it. I enjoyed it. But nowadays I'm not taking. So
Just
but
don't want me to.
Scientifically, you can say.
no, but I don't tell people please stop alcohol.
You know what I mean?